haven't seen it. Jimmy Neutron got a blast, that whole fuck, she ain't no shit. Mama, you look crazy ass, we falling in love with a pregnant bitch. And I'm so unflexible, so it's hard not to want revenge. And I been getting back, no evidence, it's evidence. Yeah, trying to get my father wrong. No, I won't do no wrong. Calling me, leave me alone. I do not testify. I'm trying to evolve, I'm evolve. Run your feelings, I want paper. Okay, fish tail, not parking lot. Music blast, music too bad. Bitches and I got them off the track. I make that work disappear, call it magic. And on that bitch, she do flip and gymnastics. Yeah. We getting busy. Okay, yeah, we living, really living, really getting busy. Fish tail, not parking lot. Music blast, music too bad. Bitches and I got them off the track. I make that work disappear, call it magic.
What up, YouTube? Man, my nigga Mike in this bitch, man.
It is.
Going to see if motherfuckers can fix my car, man. I got in a fucking wreck, bro. Wreck my shit, a deer hit, bro. Fuck, bro. I hit a fucking deer. Damage ain't too bad, but shit just hurt the soul. You know? First car. Bumper busted, bro. Some more shit busted under here. But yeah, we at the body shop right now, so we finna go see what they talking about, man. Yeah, man. I don't know. Deer Collision was on some weird shit, bro. They said they was like FCA approved or some other shit.
FCA approved and
I
couldn't
don't
do
know.
it?
Yeah, bro. They said they couldn't touch it. Cause that bitch, that's a built car, bro. Like all that shit is custom, like. And I guess the dealership didn't even know that shit. Like, that shit's sick, but
So how would a dealership get a custom car?
I don't know, bro.
What year is that again?
2013. It's tough.
What's the name? You said Allstate.
Yep.
All right. As soon as she gets back, I'll have her get on this, and she'll call you when she gets it done up.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Yep. You guys have a good day.
You too. Alrighty, man. Hey. Hopefully we can get some.
How much you think it's gonna cost you?
Deer Collision estimate was $6,000, but I only got to pay my deductible, so I got full coverage.
So what you?
So I only got to pay $1,000, and the insurance pay the rest.
Oh, that's decent. Then.
Yeah, but still.
That's gonna make your shit go up.
What, my insurance?
Yeah.
My shit. That shit better not, bro.
I think so, bro.
I hit a deer though, bro. That's not even my fault.
I think that's. I don't know. Maybe not though. Cause this you ain't never been in no wreck.
Nah, this is my first car crash.
Nah, you should be fine the whole time.
I don't know, man. Shit's sick though. Me and Mario out here cooling. They got hangs out.
They ain't even gonna tell nobody about this.
They did not tell nobody about this. We just seen this motherfucker. Shorty, this the drift car, ain't it?
Look under the hood.
Oh my, shorty. Yeah, they got shorty. He look like one. This look like one of them cars. Oh, this a motherfucking Viper, folks.
Bro, you slapped.
Damn. Yeah, that bitch hard. That bitch is crazy. Sure. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch hard. I like this. Damn. Yeah, this bitch is not stock, bro.
Oh, this is a limited edition. Nah, but you got the limited edition. Only available.
6-speed, 1 of 36. It's a 2011? Damn, I didn't even know they had 2011 392s, folks.
I did.
Did?
Hell yeah.
Damn, this bitch hard though. This the hey, this the one from that other video.
Oh,
Oh God.
Since you wanna act weird, that one. Oh, he got the green on the shoe.
Ah. Yeah, that bitch is
Oh,
tough.
he got the green. Oh yeah, you can tell the inside. Look at his steering wheel.
Oh yeah. He don't got the SRT steering wheel. There's some more shit out here though. What folks that had the vet, bro? He just got up out of here. What you wanna go look at now? Let's look at this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, yeah, they got a decent little car. Okay. Bro, Mustang's always loud as fuck, bro. Like, it's a Charger? Shit. This one of them old motherfuckers. This a dart. Oh, this a dart, bro. I heard the darts used to be fast as hell
They
back in
got
the
an
day.
off-road Porsche.
What? Oh shit. Yo. The off-road Porsche pulled up. So oh shit, look at this big ass truck, bro. This bitch hard. Shit. This truck hard, cuz. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
They 10s, but they clean though.
This truck hard though. You know, you got the off-road Porsche. What this is? Oh, Bulldog. You got it? Nope. Oh, that's the Jag. Nah, he don't got no.
Listen, do you hear that motherfucker?
Ah, that bitch hard. That black on black.
Oh, that bitch is cool.
Shit. That bitch is crazy. I want to see him pull out. Yeah, he wants to.
Yeah, that motherfucker got something. I don't know too much about Jags, you know.
I don't either. 5-0 over here though. What you know about the 5-0s though? Fuck with the 5-0s.
Get out the way.
Yeah, them motherfuckers going.
Get out the way when you see a 5-0, bro.
Spin, spin. 5-0.
5-0.
Look at the 5-0 tires. Them bitches down in the ball, man. That's down there how my shit be though. No bad. I don't never see a lot of these cars. A lot of these bitches collectively old as hell. Oh yeah, we gotta push up on that bitch. Shit. How you doing, sir? Interesting. Shit, look at that bitch. Look at that engine.
Finished. Look, nigga. That is
Bro, what the fuck? No. The Monte Carlo going up, bro. The Monte Carlo with the green sauce. Shorty, I ain't never seen no Monte Carlo with the green sauce. Comment down below if you seen Monte Carlo with the green sauce before.
this shit finished.
Let's put up on this vet. I ain't even see this white vet right here. Oh, he just got that bitch. Boy, he test drive. The vet. Somebody came. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. This one of my. Yeah. Yeah, facts. Bro, this bitch so nasty, bro. So nasty, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. That is crazy, bro. What is this? What is this? Which vet is this, bro? I don't know too much. I don't know too much about the vets, bro. This the Stingray?
Hell no.
Not. I don't know too much about the vets. I wish we could open the doors in these bitches and get in them bitches and shit. Let's see what they got on this Mustang though. GT. They got a 4.6. That's a clean 4.6 though. For sure. You ain't fucking with the 6 photo, but yeah, and then they ain't really got too much out here though. You feel me? Like,
I thought they was gonna have some more heat for real, like.
it looked like something was going on, but it ain't really none. You feel me? Typical Iowa shit. You know?
This on top of this Iowa car meet.
Yeah.
First Iowa car meet. When you come to Iowa car meet, this is what you're gonna see.
Facts. Like this, Volkswagen and shit. You feel me? But shit, yeah.
Somebody in the comments like, bro, in the background, you got a whole da-da. Some whole crazy shit.
Facts.
That's one of them off of, what's that game? Mafia.
Them police cars. I don't even know. Look at my shit, man. Fuck. Stupid ass deer, man. Hit my shit. Goofy ass shit, man. And I still got boo-boo stains on my shit. Fuck it. Hey, who you got in the race? This SS or me, bro?
I look, you want to look, you're looking at this.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Oh shit. Somebody getting active. Somebody getting active over here. Alright, but yeah, back to the SS. That bitch got 180 on the dash.
Oh, he got some shit in there.
That bitch.
He got gauges and why he got there.
Oh yeah, you definitely do got the gauges in there. This is a clean SS, people.
I just don't want that old model, bro.
Yeah, this is the old model, but
They
that
cool
bitch,
as fuck, though.
that bitch still hard
That
though.
bitch is hard, but yeah.
For sure.
Well, I probably could rock it. I probably just have to do some shit.
Yeah, so I don't know. I fuck with Mopar hard, bro.
Yeah, more fun hard too. I might have to.
Yeah. Whoa, who's floating a vet like that? Oh, yeah. I think it's about that time for us to bounce out with that. All right, man. We're gonna get back to y'all later, man.
It's fourth quarter, go run your bag up. Hit clutch time off the bench. I can't go, all my bitches gotta be bad. I'm like Pete Davidson. Before I sleep, commit a sin. Wake up, commit a sin.